This 2019 Fleetwood Discovery LX40D is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 41 feet 4 inches in length and features a Ridgeland Taupe, Cappuccino interior, sleeps 4, external shower, TV antenna, air conditioning, self-contained, slide-out, auxiliary battery, stove top burner, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, skylight, and 100-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment. This 2019 Fleetwood Discovery LX40D is built on a Freightliner XCM chassis and is powered by a Cummins 9L380 HP engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.